11:56 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain from showers and thunderstorms across the warned area. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stewart, Norway, Buffalo Ridge, Patrick Springs, Charity, Craigs, Rocky Mountain Recreation Area. This includes the following streams and drainages: Bull Mountain Fork, Gray's Fork, Joint Crab Creek, Elk Creek, Blackberry Creek, Cogar Creek, Anglin Branch, Dan River, Goblin Creek, Howell Creek, Hughes Creek, Dodd Creek, Crooked Creek, Jacks Creek, and Ivy Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following county: Patrick, Virginia. It's 4:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Emergency Management is reporting flooded roadways near the Rowan-Cabarrus County line in Annapolis. 1 to 2 inches of rain quickly fell over the past 1 to 2 hours on top of 2 to 4 inches of rainfall which occurred last night. Saturated soils and high stream flows are responding quickly to this additional excessive runoff. Lake Kannapolis Dam is spilling significant flows into Irish Buffalo Creek, and these flows are likely to cause or are already causing flooding at points downstream, including C Street, Pump Station Road, Tiffany Drive, Pine Street, and Rainbow Drive. Exercise extreme caution when traveling in the Kannapolis area. Avoid all flooded roadways and obey all barricades. Stay away from all streams, but especially Irish Buffalo Creek. Significant flows will sweep away cars and persons caught in the flood waters. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. High flow going over Kannapolis Dam will cause downstream flooding along Irish Buffalo Creek, impacting roads, low-lying areas, and possibly several low-lying structures. Some locations that are experiencing flash flooding include Kannapolis, downtown Concord, West Concord, Harrisburg,
this is going to flash flood
and Mount
emergencies.
Pleasant. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood.
Oh!
Southwestern Rowan County until 9:15 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., training cells are developing over southern Rowan and Iredell counties, resulting in significant runoff and rapid stream rises. 1 to 3 inches of rain has fallen over the past 1 to 2 hours, with additional rainfall expected as cells continue to move across the area. This is on top of 2 to 5 inches of rain that fell from thunderstorms last night. This rainfall will produce significant flooding impacting roads and structures. Seek higher ground now and avoid all flooded roadways.
That sounds like a damn
Stay
flash
away
flood
from all
emergency.
streams. Hazard: life-threatening
Is this a flash flood emergency?
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar.
No, it's not.
Impact: life-threatening flash flooding.
Sure as hell sounded like it.
Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams. Flash flooding includes Kannapolis, Salisbury, Statesville, Mooresville, Davidson, China Grove, Landis, Edithville, Troutman, Cleveland, Lake Norman State Park, Mount Ulla, Piedmont Research Station, and Dooley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
What the
Repeating,
hell?
a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties. In North Carolina, Iredell and Brand. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards station WXL 42 operating on frequency 162.40 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located up to 25
That thing sounds like a freaking flash flood
of
emergency.
North Carolina, as well as adjacent Virginia counties.